Sage University.
Fishes, birds, and all animals are joyful in those states. In those stress environments, main organ was clean, like as water and air. Nature always wears the color of spirit. Now, lad, look deep into the nature, and then you will understand everything better when the pollution was not there. Now, the environment just started when development had started. Man has become so greedy that he has destroyed the forest to fulfill his need. In coming days, there will be something like this on the pollution earth where there will be neither clean air nor water for drinking. You can see the situation of flowers because of pollution. We should take a play view of happiness of those birds that you photograph the birds very well in your mobile. For the pleasure of birds, we have to clean our environment and not eliminate them in view of our need.
But in the race of advancement and modernization, they ignored every warning or sign. Like electricity, oxygen is supplied to every household or institutions for the survival of humans. For outside, humans are dependent on mass and oxygen plants.
We can see that in coming days, the earth will look something like this. A planet on which life was possible and view of earth will be something like this.
Joey, you're dreaming again. Congratulations, Joey. The experiment was successful, and we're all set for the beta trial for our test tube plantations at home. If all goes well, we will in next few years be able to reverse the environment.
We are the solution, not Rupali.